welcome back to Miss Cave's class. And today we are going to learn about the life cycle of a butterfly. Do you guys like butterflies? Well, I do. They're so pretty and they fly so high in the sky. So today we're going to learn about how butterflies are born by reading this book, The Amazing Life Cycle of Butterflies, written by Kay Barnum, illustrated by Maddie Frost. Let's dive in. The Amazing Life Cycle of Butterflies. In the warmer months of spring and summer, butterflies flutter about. These beautiful insects carry pollen from flower to flower, just like bees. But did you know that this is just one stage of a butterfly's incredible life cycle? A butterfly begins its life as a tiny egg. Some eggs are round, some are oval, and some have ridges. The female butterfly sticks her eggs onto leaves or stems very close together. This plant will soon become food. So as you can see, a butterfly starts out as a tiny egg. We're going to write egg. E-G-G. Egg. Let's continue our book. Inside the butterfly eggs, new life is growing, but these creatures are not yet butterflies. After a few days, the eggs hatch and butterfly larvae appear. Butterfly larvae are also known as pupae or caterpillars. At first, they look like small wriggly worms. So after the egg comes the caterpillar. Put our arrow. Okay. Let me use the other color. The larvae. And then we have the caterpillar. So I have my egg, my larvae, and then my caterpillar. Let's continue reading. A caterpillar's job is to eat. Most caterpillars eat plants, but some eat other insects. They eat so much that soon their skin becomes too tight. It splits, and underneath is a new, bigger skin. As the caterpillar grows, this happens again and again. So the caterpillar starts to eat a lot of leaves or insects. So we have the caterpillar eating. Put my arrow. We'll write the word eat. Let's continue. Caterpillars have many enemies. They are gobbled up by birds, wasps, and ladybugs. In some countries, humans eat them too. Caterpillars use bristles, spikes, smells, and poison to frighten away enemies. Sometimes they disguise themselves with eye spots and patterns. This caterpillar is pretending to be a snake. When the caterpillar has finished growing, it hangs upside down from a leaf or a branch. Very slowly, a shell forms around it. This shell is called a chrysalis. Like the caterpillar, the chrysalis is patterned. This makes it difficult for enemies to spot. So we can see the caterpillar slowly forming a shell, covering its whole body, and that shell is called a chrysalis. So here we have the caterpillar hanging upside down. My arrow. And then our caterpillar forms a chrysalis. So we have the word chrysalis. Let's see what happens next. Inside the chrysalis, something amazing happens. The caterpillar dissolves into a soupy mixture. Then, eyes, legs, wings, antennae, and other body parts begin to form. After a week or two, the caterpillar will have changed into a brand new butterfly. At last, the adult butterfly pushes its way out of the chrysalis. This splits open and the butterfly appears. It's a tight fit inside the chrysalis, so the butterfly must first unfold soft wings, which will take a few hours to harden. Then it flies for the very first time. So you can see the butterfly unfolding its wings and coming out of the chrysalis. So let's put that on our chart. We have the butterfly coming out of the chrysalis. Unfolding its wings. My arrows. And then we have a butterfly. Put it at the bottom. So we have our whole chart. Let's see what happens next. A butterfly has 4 wings. These are covered with millions of tiny colored scales which create different patterns. Some wing patterns allow butterflies to hide. Others have special markings that look like big eyes to scare away enemies. Bold, bright colors attract mates. A butterfly tastes with its feet and smells with its antennae. Its mouth is shaped like a long tube. The butterfly uses this to feed on nectar from flowers. Butterflies can only fly if they are warm. When they are too cold, they bask in the sun until their temperature rises. Some species of butterfly, like the monarch, live for just a few months, but most live for just 1 or 2 weeks. During their short lives, butterflies mate. When the female butterfly lays eggs, the life cycle starts all over again. Did you know that butterflies are in danger? Pesticides cause them harm, and there are fewer wildlife areas for them to visit. Soon, many species may become extinct. You can help by planting flowers such as buddleia, verbena, and lavender in a sunny, sheltered spot. Then, wait for butterflies to appear. A butterfly's life cycle has 4 different stages. These are egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, and adult butterfly. During its life, the butterfly transforms completely. This amazing process is called metamorphosis. The end. So now we are going to create the life cycle of a butterfly showing 4 stages. So let's see, we'll take these off. Now we're going to erase these. Okay, so when we're sequencing the parts of the life cycle of a butterfly, we need to use a flow map. So we're going to draw a flow map. And to start my flow map, I'm going to make 1 box. And then an arrow. Then I'll make another box. And I'll put another arrow. Rectangles don't have to be perfect. Then I'll make 1 more box. And since we said there are 4 stages in the life cycle of a butterfly, we need to make 1 more box. So I have 1, 2, 3, and I need 1 more to make 4. Okay, now I have 4 stages. So now we're going to sequence the life cycle of a butterfly. So in the first stage, it's an egg. So we'll write the word egg. E-G-G, egg. In the second stage, the egg hatches and it turns into a caterpillar. So we have the caterpillar. We're going to write the word caterpillar. C-A-T-E-R. R P I L L A R, caterpillar. In the third stage, the caterpillar eats so many leaves, it transforms into a chrysalis. Chrysalis. C-H-R-Y-S-A-L-I-S. Another word for chrysalis is pupa. So instead of chrysalis, you can also say pupa. So you're going to put that in parentheses. P-U-P-A. Pupa. And our last stage, the chrysalis breaks open, and out from the chrysalis emerges a butterfly. Our last stage, butterfly. So we're going to write butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. So these are the 4 stages in the life cycle of a butterfly. We have an egg, caterpillar, chrysalis or pupa, and a butterfly. I hope you guys enjoyed the story and can't wait to learn more with you about the life cycle of a butterfly. Bye!